So in a sense, it could almost be thought of as that the education system was sort of used as a tool or a weapon to direct society in a certain direction. And that direction is where we are right now, and it doesn't seem to be a very good direction as to where we are headed. As you notice, I've written this in all capital letters. I've seen this come up again and again on the internet where people get into arguments and they will say, well, in this styles manual, on page 666 it says that this is donkey Latin or pig Latin or whatever. Here's the thing, if this were in fiction, then yes, that might be true, because whoever is saying that a fiction styles manual is designating all capital letters as pig or dog or donkey Latin is giving jurisdiction to their grammar to this fiction styles manual. Meaning, the person making that claim does not have jurisdiction over their grammar, they're giving jurisdiction to the fiction. That's not how it works with correct sentence structure. I give closure as to the reason why I use capital letters in my dictionary, in my styles manual, which is correct sentence structure. I don't give jurisdiction to the fiction. I take jurisdiction through my own knowledge as authority with my own dictionary. And there are several different reasons why I use capital letters. One of them being, it's just easier to type out a contract in all capital letters. And it means shout, it's a command. It can mean that as well. And it can also have some maritime connotations, because we are all in a sea of space. Whether you're on the land or you're on the water, you're still in a sea of space. So that's my closure on that. For those of you out there who want to give authority to your grammar to a fiction styles manual, you're more than welcome to do that. However, I do not participate with that. The other thing having to do with the styles manual is this. It's also been claimed underlining a compound fact is boxing it. Again, giving closure to it from a fiction styles manual. That's not what it means in quantum grammar in my construct, from my dictionary, from my styles manual. Underlining a compound fact just means that this fact and this fact are coming together, they're to be taken as a whole. Whatever is being underlined is to be taken as a whole, one thing. In other words, this would be a 5, 6, 7. Again, if you want to give jurisdiction to the fiction over your grammar and say that that's boxing, that's up to you. But you and I probably will not be contracting anytime in the near future. So we've covered compound fact, which would be hyphenated, which brings two 7s together to form one 7. We've gone over the sequencing, cause, concern, verb, possessive, concern, possessive, authority. If you're interested in correct sentence structure, communication, parsing, syntax, grammar workshops, contact me at jasonmatthewg17@gmail.com. I'll set up a 10 to 15 minute video consult and we'll see if indeed whether you are serious or not.